Hello everyone! Welcome back to Neha's Art Club. Today, we will learn the easiest method to draw Sano Manjiro's face from Tokyo Revengers. Firstly, choose a reference to draw. I am choosing this picture. Now, proceed to the real process of drawing. At first, draw a circle. For drawing every kind of anime face, you should draw a circle first. I am sharing the picture to show how drawing circle helps to get the facial feature. Use 2B pencil here. If you feel the video is too fast, please tap on the playback speed option, and change the speed of the video according to your convenience. And the English subtitles are available too. If you want, you can turn on the subtitles. After drawing the face, make sure to clean the lines and circle that we drew to get the facial features. Well, the drawing is complete now. If you like the video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Meet you on the next video. Thank you for watching till the end.